Hello everyone, this is Pao J and this is the break for the Topps Chrome. And let me show you the time right now. It's 3:12 a.m. Just got off work and this is the list of winners. And there's two teams that didn't sell, so that's gonna be my team. And here's the sealed box right here. Alright, good luck everyone. And here's your empty box. Alright, first pack. Ricky Romero for the Blue Jays. Freeman for the Braves. Ooh, we got our autograph right away. Paul Goldschmidt. And autograph. Alright, so it's Ryan Lavarnway for the Red Sox. It's not numbered, guys. Alright, so got our first hit right away. Hellickson for the Rays, Chipper Jones for the Braves, Chase Utley for the Phillies, and Matt Latos for the Reds. Chris Young for the D-backs, Extractor Ackley for the Mariners, numbered. Beltran for the Cardinals, and Infante for the Marlins. Hosmer for the Royals, Jay Bruce for the Reds, Chris Parmelli for the Twins, and we got a blue bordered card here. Mabin for the Padres. So this is limited to 199. I think I get to keep this because no one purchased the Padres. Vogelsong for the Giants, Teixeira for the Yankees, Crawford for the Red Sox, and Valverde for the Tigers. Liddy for the Mariners, Holiday for the Phillies, Buchholz for the Red Sox, and Dozier for the Twins. Herrera for the Royals, Napoli for the Rangers, James Shields for the Rays, and we got a gold border here. Liam Hendricks for the Twins. So this is 23 of 50. Taylor Green for the Brewers. Kershaw for the Dodgers. He's going to be pitching today. Escobar for the Royals. And Derek Lowe for the Indians. Hutchison for the Blue Jays. Stanton for the Marlins. Jason Mote for the Cardinals. And we got Refractor Jake Peavy for the White Sox. Brandon Phillips for the Reds. Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies. Sabathia for the Yankees. And Aoki for the Brewers. It's a nice one though. Michael Pineda for the Yankees. Delin Betances for the Yankees again. Cabrera for the Indians. And Michael Young for the Rangers. Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Dominguez for the Marlins. Alonso for the Padres. And Fielder die cut for the Tigers. There we go. Alright, halfway through the box, guys. Blanks for the Padres. Mike Moustakas for the Royals. Cowgill for the A's. And a David Freese for the Cardinals. Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Dustin Ackley for the Mariners. Madison Bumgarner for the Giants. And a Brett Laurie Extractor for the Blue Jays. Rodriguez for the Yankees. Cozart for the Reds. Montero for the D-backs. And we have a black bordered card. It's a Shane Victorino for the Phillies. So this is going to be 84 of 100. Alright, so we got a gold, a blue, and a black. Matt Moore for the Rays. Ichiro for the Mariners. Michael Morris for the Washington Nationals. And a Mark Reynolds for the Orioles. Yeah. Addison Reed for the White Sox. Derek Holland for the Rangers. Bryce Harper. And a blue Salvador Perez for the Royals. Alright, so this one is 102 of 199. Cueto for the Reds, Duda for the Mets, Morneau for the Twins, and Morgan for the Brewers. Alright, we're still looking for that one hit. Wouldn't be bad though if they give us a bonus. Howard for the Phillies. Ooh. Ian Kennedy for the D-backs, and we got our other hit right here. Willie Peralta for the Brewers, and last hit is a Liam Hendricks for the Twins. Congrats. It's not numbered. Ramin for the Yankees, Zach Greinke for the Brewers, Ike Davies for the Mets, and Longoria for the Rays. Last 4 packs, guys. Santana for the Indians, Alex Rodriguez Refractor for the Yankees, Tom Milone for the A's, and Jimenez for the Indians. Ellsbury for the Red Sox, Weeks for the A's, Stubbs for the Reds, and Iwakuma for the Mariners. Last 2 pack, guys. Lester for the Red Sox, Johnson for the Marlins, Kendrick for the Angels, and Ethier for the Dodgers. And last pack. Trumbo for the Angels, Beckett for the Red Sox, almost said Dodgers, Dickey for the Mets, and Upton for the Rays. Alright guys, that concludes the break. Hope you could check my next break. That'll be ending this Monday. I'll be shipping this on Monday as well. So thanks again.